exciting.
Nó tham mà bằng
Hiện nay thì
con này.
cái bảo vệ cái này cũng thấy mà này. Chief guest của cái bảo vệ đồ hình thế cái đây là con không nhận cái đồ kia chú một đồ hình thế cái sao bảo vệ cái cái hỏi sao bảo vệ cái thế con problem này thì một cái kinh chấp luôn. Alfred Tangnam S. Arthur, Honorable MP, Chief Guest of CDSA Golden Jubilee Open Football Tournament 2025, the President of CDSA and his colleagues, special invitees, brothers and sisters, and our media friends. I'm delighted to be part of this closing ceremony. At the outset, I would like to personally extend a warm welcome to our Honorable Member of Parliament, Sri Alfred A.S. Arthur, who is the chief guest of this function. I would like to convey my sincere appreciation to Churachandpur District Sports Association for organizing a football tournament on the occasion of their Golden Jubilee celebration. I also would like to convey my hearty congratulations to the CDSA on its Golden Jubilee and for the immense contributions to the development and promotion of football. It is therefore befitting that our Honorable MP and other dignitaries participate in this event. Football has been one of the sports that has inspired many of our youths, particularly in our district. From our district alone, as many as 10 distinguished football players have been selected to join various prestigious football clubs such as Northeast United Football Club, Gokulam Kerala Football Club, Chennai Football Club, and so on. Mostly football is played as extra-curricular activities in schools and colleges, which is a very healthy activity to promote better mental and physical health as well as harmony and amity among our people. We must therefore encourage football and other sporting activities to achieve a healthy society and promote better future. During the past few years, as an MLA, I have sincerely been trying for better infrastructure for sports in our district. In the year 2022-23, I have requested the state government to submit a proposal to the government of India for converting Yantam Damka public ground as a turf ground. A proposal in this regard was submitted by the state government to the concerned Ministry Government of India. However, because of the unfortunate violence in the state since May 3rd, 2023, all efforts have been made in this regard were adversely affected. Recently, I have once again given a proposal for the same under a central scheme in the interest of our sports lovers and the people of Churachandpur. Besides, similar proposals have also been submitted for PT Sports Complex, New Lanka, and other sporting infrastructure for our district. I would like to urge our youth to cultivate the spirit of games and sports for the better future of our district. I also like to give my best wishes to the CDSA for their future endeavors in the promotion of football in the years to come. I would like to acknowledge the role and contribution played by Sri Khan Bhai CEO Chicken Group for having sponsored this tournament. Lastly, my best wishes to the Dynamic Football Academy who are going to play final match this afternoon. Thank you very much.